Hello animators, welcome back. Today we are creating a short funny skit with 2 characters in one scene. If you are new here, I post weekly tutorials that show you how to animate cool cartoons right on your phone. Subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly tutorial. Let's get started. What we are doing today, we are creating 2 characters, setting them up in one scene, give them a simple dialogue, add gestures, expression, and that time everything so it feels like a real skit. Basically, we are turning this into a short cartoon. So the first thing in cartoon creation is what? Getting an idea. So the idea for our cartoon skit is very short and clear. So the first character is going to ask, where is my pen? While the second character is going to reply, is in your pocket. And that's it. Simple, quick, but it is perfect to practice timing and interaction, which is the goal of this tutorial. Now into it right away. Let's create a project. Click on the plus sign and create a project. So we are naming this project a short cartoon, and thereafter we select our canvas size, which is YouTube 1080p, and also we consider our FPS, which is frame per second 12 fps, and we're done with our project creation. Now let's set up our scene. The first step is to draw 2 simple characters facing each other. For this tutorial, we've already drawn our character and they are ready to be imported. If you want to go beyond short skits and create full episode with voiceover, camera moves and editing, join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And of course, make sure you subscribe here so you keep growing your skills step by step. Step 2, we keep our 2 characters in same scene with same background. No need in creating multiple backgrounds. So on your Flipaclip, you have 3 backgrounds you can use for your cartoon. So click on the 3 dot sign which is circled and click on project setting, and thereafter click on this icon pointed at and select from any of this background of your choice, and you're good to go with your project. Step 3. Make character A raise his hand and look confused, and add a speech bubble with a text, where is my pen? To know more about animating a character without lip sync using speech bubbles and text, click on the right corner and check our previous video. And now pause a bit for the character B to reply. Our character B is going to reply, it is in your pocket. Remember, keep each character on separate layer. This will give you a smooth animation of the character, and use duplicate frames for pauses and timing. That little trick makes the timing feel natural. Now comes the fun part, reactions. For those following up our tutorial, we already know how to create cartoon facial expression. If you're yet to watch that video, click on the right corner of this tutorial, and also you can check the link in the description. Let's get back to what we are talking about. Now, the character A should look shocked and maybe eyes wide open, and our character B will give a forceful reaction, smiling reaction, and keep it casual. You're going to add a little touches like held teeth, high movement, and a quick hand gesture. Don't overdo it. Sometimes small movements are what make a character feel alive. In our full course, we delve even deeper how to plan your skit with script, timing sheet, and even add sound effects and music all from your phone. Check the link below. And while you are at it, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on next week's tutorial. Once you're cool with your animation, it's time to export. Click on the three dots, click on Make Movie, ensure that your project is on MP4 format and click on Make Movie. Remember, a good skit doesn't have to be long, it just needs to be clear and clever. So that's it. Next week, we will learn how to animate a character running on a loop while the background moves so your cartoon feels more dynamic. Subscribe now so you don't miss it and tag me if you share your skit. I would love to see what you create. This is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.